Any job requires basic Excel skills. These basic Excel skills are familiarity with Excel ribbons. So if you are talking about ribbons, this section is called ribbons, where we have file, home, inserts, page layout, formula, data, review, view, help. These are our ribbons. Yeah. Then we have an UI. This UI here is called user interface, meaning the outlook of this Excel. So as you can see here, we have a quick toolbar where we have undo, save, and redo. These are our quick access toolbar here. So these are our ruler. These are the user interface. Now I'm trying to introduce the user interface. So we have our column, then our rows. Let me click it. These are our column and these are our rows. And we have cells. These are our cells. These are our cells. So these cells have a name. So if you want to identify a cell with its particular name, you just have to look for the column and the row. So this is row N. So we are looking for this particular cell name. So we have N here and we have 7 here. So here is called N7. So if you want to communicate with someone that is, please can you work on that cell N7, so the person can quickly grab that, okay, you are talking about this particular cell. So as you can see it here is written here to N7 name box, and this place is called formula box 2, where your formula, when you try to calculate anything, your formula will be shown here direct. So this another interface. Then we have zoom here. We have zoom. Then this is in permanent 100%. Yeah. So these are the real interface. So it said familiarity with Excel ribbons and UI, ability to enter and format data, calculate totals and summaries through formulas, highlight data that meets certain conditions, creating simple reports and charts, understanding the importance of keyboard shortcuts and productivity tricks. Based on my experience of training more than 50 students, of which, yes, in various online and physical training programs, the following 6 areas form the core of basic Excel skills. For me now, there are 5 important areas in the screen. We have a quick access toolbar. We have shown you here where we have save, undo, and redo. We have ribbon, which depicts the features of Excel. These home, inserts, page layout, they are all called ribbons. Then we have formula bar, which I just explained here right now, where your formula is being shown, this formula box. Then we have spreadsheet grid. These are the grid that you see here, this particular cell, but you see there is a line there, but the line, if you try to print something like this out now, it's not going to show you, it's going to show you a blank, because the lines are not active yet. The lines are not active yet, they are just like a spreadsheet grid. So we have status bar. So this, now what do you want to do? You open an Excel as a starter, you take a look around, create a new workbook and save that particular workbook.